Alright, so she said no wheelies today. However, did say speeding, so that means we can do 50% of the illegal things. Taking you with me. Clearly can't handle this. So much effort goes into these rides.
Well, I'm a princess, and it's so hard to put this on.
I spent like 2 hours last night putting that rear seat on. Now here's the fun part. Your nuts are going to be quaking, buddy.
I don't have nuts, babe.
You will after hearing this. You ready?
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm terrified. I'm scared.
You'll be fine.
Oh my god, it's like a vibrator.
I'm so glad you said that.
No, don't put that in the video.
This is my baby, so we're going to be taking
Does it quiet down on the ride or no?
Nope, it just gets louder.
Well, this is gonna be fun.
Alright, same thing as always.
Don't be telling me what to do. Give me your arm.
Alright, can you lean back a little bit? I'm like scrunched over.
And this thing is loud, so I can barely hear you.
You'll survive. It'll be fine.
Let me just say a quick prayer. Lord, please don't let me fall off this bike. I would really like to get my degree. We are getting me my own helmet, but no helmet.
I know.
It's
We're
not
working
enough.
on it. After finals, we'll go do that. Okay. All right. We're in first gear. You ready?
Maybe, I don't know. Sure. This thing is slippery, low key. Holy shit! This is a lot scarier.
Oh, we're not even going fast yet.
I can't hear you, baby.
I said we're not even going fast yet.
Jesus. Oh God.
Is it the bike that's too loud, or is it just like the microphone isn't loud enough?
It's the bike that's so loud. I can't hear you over it.
I gotta check if I have gas anyway, because I totally forgot to do that. Am I louder there?
Now you are, but like it's almost like when you're talking, when the bike is on, it's like, like it's muffled. It's so muffled, I can't make out the words you're saying.
That's okay. I can just talk to myself majority of the time.
I'm trying to talk to you, but then you say something and it sounds like womp, and I'm like, what the fuck is he saying?
I'm sorry. Look, it's a loud bike, and we have plenty of gas, so I'm not gonna fill up. I'm sorry. Look, I'm trying.
What am I touching?
It's probably my one gripe with this bike is it's a lot of everything, and which is great like when I'm by myself, but this is why I was gonna drag on my feet taking you for a ride on.
It's just so loud, I just can't hear you. Can you hear
Yeah.
me when I'm saying stuff?
Yeah, I can hear you. That's why I'm like, you can talk to me, but like me talking back may be an issue.
Yeah.
So
Well, like when you slowed down and it was like not making that sound, I could hear you fine.
how about like if you want to tell me something, I'll double tap, I'll like double squeeze your arm like that as like an acknowledgement that I heard you. Does that make you feel?
Works. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, like we don't have to sit here and have like a deep, super deep conversation this entire time. We can just enjoy the ride. But like, if you need to tell me something and you need me to acknowledge that, I'll squeeze your arm.
Okay. You might just hear me talk to myself though.
I'll try to respond to you like in between. But yeah, if you can't hear me, then don't worry about it. I can hear you, so I guess that's all that matters.
I can hear you like when you were like slowing down to turn. I could hear you.
If I need to tell you something, I'll just slow down. It's okay. We're going to a place that doesn't have a lot of cars, so it'll just be me and you for a little bit. Okay.
How far is it away?
Couldn't have answered that before I turned the bike on.
I was just curious.
It's about, I don't know, 8 minutes that way. You ready?
I guess so.
You'll be all right.
Jesus, baby, careful. This glove is like slippery on the so. My booty flying off.
That's crazy because it's got all that weight to it.
You know what? Don't you dare punch it.
This bike is surprisingly not that bad. It's because I didn't buy the electronic suspension for like an extra $8,000.
Gentle, baby, gentle.
I'm trying to be.
Easy.
That's just how the bike is. The bike is very rough. It doesn't like to be gentle around.
I'm just nervous because this is a new bike and I haven't been on it yet, and it's really powerful.
Oh yeah. We're in the lowest mode. I probably should have thought about this before we went for a ride.
Thought about what?
The fact that it's loud as hell.
That's okay. We'll make it work. I just be careful, please, okay?
We're being careful.
Like, don't get me wrong, it sounds nice. I just can barely hear you. Everyone's probably staring at us.
It gets a lot of attention, yes.
Pretty girl, pretty bike.
The bike's pretty great, but can't love you like a person.
Ew.
Oh boy. Traffic, no! I hate traffic. You are like so bent over on this.
Yeah, I know. This is so much higher than your other bikes. I feel like I'm looking over everything. It feels weird.
Well, it's like the craziest bike I've ever owned. That's why. Everything's just super hyper on it. Everything's like multiplied by 1,000. I can see our reflection in that car though. It looks pretty sick. Alright, I'm gonna accelerate here. You ready?
Okay, that's acceptable.
I seriously, I did not mean to do that. It just came up on its own. It had no reason to do that. I don't know why it did that. Alright, so I didn't mean for the wheel to come up there.
I know, it just freaks me the hell out.
I was messing with it last night. I turned the wheelie control all the way up, and it's still coming up. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Let's restart. I don't know why the wheel came up like that. Again, wheelie control is all the way on. I think it's because the electronics are probably tuned like to have only one person sitting on the bike and not. So I'm not gonna even mess with the acceleration anymore. Okay.
That was definitely fucking terrifying. I just got scared because you said it shouldn't come up in wheelie, and then all of a sudden it was really high in there, and I'm like, oh my god, what is happening? And my butt came off the seat. Like I was like, so just you can rev it all you want, but just nice casual speeds, not gunning it, where your girlfriend is terrified.
Jesus, lady, come on.
Trying to kill you with me on the back, like Jesus.
Yeah,
like,
I mean, I saw it. I was like, my hand was
Why
on the
not
brake.
you
I was ready for it, but
like Jesus, you have a passenger, and that lady's not fucking looking where she's going.
I don't know how you don't hear it.
Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is fun. I like that. Gentle speed.
I usually like jumping this a little bit, but with you on the back, probably a little less ideal.
I can't hear you.
I left the call so that way I can talk to myself real quick. She is not a fan of the power, and I think that we're realizing that very quickly. This bike is extremely overkill for the street, which is great. Like when I'm on my own, it's fine. However, her on the back, I don't think she likes it too much. We accelerated in a straight line, the wheel came up. I don't think I can show that on camera. It was a little tiny bit, but it was enough to scare her. And so I am struggling to keep this bike to do like reasonable things. So all it wants to do is just go fast, which is what this bike is meant to do. It's terrifying to go this fast when you're not in control. I've done it before. I've been on the back of someone else's bike before. It's not fun. So there might be a little bit of a lesson here in which we might want to look into getting a slower, weaker bike.
Did you turn your mic off, baby?
I did. I was talking to the camera. I had a whole day planned with this. I was going to take her down cool routes and some cool roads. I don't think that we're going to be able to do that today. I mean, we still got all summer. Today is a very cold spring day. Like, the trees haven't even fully grown back their leaves yet. So I'm thinking, like, we may just have to wait until I can get a weaker bike that won't scare her as much and is a lot more comfortable because, I mean, I'm looking into a few contenders. I have a few in mind. I've talked about them in some videos before. Diavo, MTO7, maybe another Daytona. Just a few more, like, little bikes that you can kind of stretch the legs a little bit with a passenger in the back without scaring them to hell and back, which I think will just make everybody happier. I feel bad because she's a great passenger. She really does a good job, but we don't go for rides that often. Everyone's just trying to kill us today too, which I think is probably scaring her as well. And it's, like I said, last time we went for a ride was like October, and it's April now, late April. It's kind of out of practice. I'm out of practice, and I think this bike is probably, maybe we could build into it this summer, but this is definitely overkill for what we're just trying to go for, like a chill ride. So I think I might try to find a little parking lot to turn around up here.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna turn around.
I will admit, I do feel very sexy on the back of your bike.
Okay, I guess that's a win.
I do. I feel like a bad bitch on the back of the bike.
I was talking to the camera. I was saying it's a little, I almost feel a little bad. It's a lot of bike.
I'm gonna have to watch you edit and see what you were saying because I couldn't hear a damn thing.
Oh my god, it's so involved.
Oh, yeah. Yes, please. I actually, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, baby.
No, it's not your fault. It's just, wow. That's a lot to handle. So, this bike is insane. Like, you already know that. It's
oh my
absolute
God,
insanity. And the fact that, like, when I am on it by myself, I trust it 100%. Like, there's no problem at all.
Yeah.
However, I think with you in the back, it's tripping it up a little bit. And so when I accelerate, it's going to bring the wheel up like that.
I feel like it's going to be like that with any bike, but this one just feels like I can, even when you're going slow, like I can feel the power that this bike has and how much it wants to go. I don't think it likes me very much.
It's doable. Like, if you have to take a passenger, you can, certainly.
Ideal for a passenger?
Is it something we want to do all day?
No.
Probably not. I was telling the camera, I'm like, I had this whole route planned out. Like, we're going to go all the way through the parks, turn around, take the freeway back. But I think, hello. He waved. Yeah. I feel bad because, like, came off pretty genuinely scared, which I think is fair because I'm the one who's in control and you're not. I think it's tripping up the microphone a little bit too. It keeps causing like this echoing, and I can't really hear when we're moving. I can't hear you sometimes because it's like so bad. I was telling the camera, I think, so I have the two bikes right now. I have the S1000, I have this. The S1000 doesn't have a rear seat, so we need a third bike. I'm not selling this. I'm not selling the BMW, so I'm looking into a third bike, something a lot more reasonable. That way I don't have to take this bike to take you for a ride. Well, again, it's doable. It's just complicated, and I think you would be a lot happier on something maybe that we can have a little bit more fun on. And isn't trying to kill you.
It's not like I hate this bike, but this is my first time being on this bike, let alone the fact that the mics are having issues. It's so loud I can't hear you.
Yeah.
That's about...
It's absolute, like, mania on two wheels, but we need something a little bit more reasonable.
This is definitely a bike that I think is just, like, majority of the time, you by yourself type bike.
If I wasn't going to buy a third bike, I'd keep this still. I wouldn't sell this. I gotta make that clear. I would not sell this.
Baby, I couldn't imagine you selling this. Let's be real.
So I'm just gonna look into something like a third bike that we can just have that is much more reasonable. Maybe like a cruiser or something. Who knows? I'm not gonna say anything, but who knows? Let's get you back on it, and let's just go back home where it's safe, and I don't have to worry about killing you by accident. We're going fast.
my handsome boyfriend. I didn't call you a diva. Oh, I love people watching. They're all watching us.
She loves the attention. Her mic is still echoing, so I just want to say, like, it seems like all these cars are trying to kill us today. It's not very fun at all. Literally, every time I pull up to a damn intersection, it feels like they're like pulling out on us. So what I do with cars is when I come into an intersection, I watch the car's wheels. Because if you see the wheels moving, it's a clear sign that they're trying to do something. And I swear to God, every intersection I'm coming up today, I can see the wheels turning. And it's freaking me out. Because I got her in the back, and it's scaring me. Because I can't stop as fast as when it's just me on the bike. So... I think the universe is just telling us maybe we shouldn't be riding. At least not today. Oh, what's up, dude? That's awesome. This bike does not like to do 25 miles an hour. It wants to just fly. Alright.
Oh my goodness.
How was the ride back home?
I like the ride back home. Ride back home was solid.
Oh, this poor thing. It's not its fault. Listen, I try to take it easy, man. I can't
I know, baby.
You said no wheelies, and the bike decided it wanted the wheelie.
I know, it didn't
My bad.
Oh my god.
Well, we lived. I guess that's like... I'm glad that you're okay. That's like the most important part, so...
Yeah, I'm glad I had this on.
I know you said it was heavy, but...
It was.
Glad you wore it.
It is. Oh, my arms hurt.
I wasn't really worried that like we were gonna get in any trouble, but
it was just when it came up.
I came up with a good little thing like while we were riding. I was like, oh, so when the bike is happy, you're unhappy, and whenever you're unhappy, the bike is happy. So, or maybe I'm just not skilled enough to control this level of bike at low speeds. I don't know. Whatever. I don't.
Or maybe it just hates having a passenger.
Like I said, if I couldn't afford having a third bike, I would not sell this thing for anything. But
I know. You should pride and joy your baby.
The fact that I can have a third bike, I think we're just going to get something more reasonable.
Oh my god.
So, yeah. So S1000 will be my do-everything bike. This is my go-fast bike, and then we'll have a reasonable bike.
Megan bike.
Yeah, the Megan bike. I mean,
that was
you can call it whatever you want, baby.
Is the Megan bike.
Alright, where are we going to eat?
I don't know. You probably want Chipotle, knowing you.
Oh, you want to come with me to pick up the new bike?
We're not going on the bike to get the new bike, are we?
No, I'm gonna put this away.
I'm about to say, I think my butt needs just a moment of a break.
Yeah.
Y'all don't understand how much your butt hurts being on the back of this. He was going over bumps, and it was like, damn. Like, did I just get on it by myself?
No.
Why?
Hell no.
What? How mad would you be if I just, hit a little?
If you just knocked it over? Well, I'd insurance claim it.
Baby, I'm not gonna knock it over. I'm talking like getting on it. It's like with help.
Alright.
Okay, wait. Dude, look at that.
You happy?
Oh, you got so much butt space over here.
I do. It's a rider's bike.
Oh my god. Ugh.